What's going on, guys? Jordan here, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about how you can spy on your competitors. If you're planning to launch a Facebook ads for your business and you don't have idea on what type of ads to create, what to save, if to choose a image or a video, the ad copy, the landing page, if you're planning to create a landing page for the offer, the service you want to promote, this tool that I will mention to you about Facebook ads is really gonna help you get ideas, example on how other people are doing, other business owners are doing to create their Facebook ads. So I use this a lot when I go and I'm gonna start a new job, a new Facebook ad campaign for a niche market that I don't have, I'm not familiar with, a new niche market I haven't had experience with. And I want to know what people are doing, what other businesses are doing to get sales, to collect leads, whatever the clients need, right? And I also do this when I have experience in a niche, but I still want to improve, to get more ideas on how to improve my Facebook ads. So before it was a little bit difficult because you have to buy tools, you have to buy a program that allow you to see what other people were doing in their Facebook ads. But after the problems that Facebook had the last year, they have done a lot of changes. One of those changes is that now you're gonna be able to see what other people are promoting, the ads. And the way you can do this is if you go to your competitor fan page, in the left column you scroll down, you're gonna see a little box that says page transparency. You're gonna click on page transparency, it's gonna pop up another box, and you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see a small section that says ad library. You're gonna click on ad library and you're gonna be able to see all the ads that business is running, where is running this ad, what country, the platforms they're using, the impressions, a lot of things that allow you to see how you can structure your ads. And I really like this because I was starting a new work with a client that is into the health niche, and I wanted to know what other people were doing in their local area and what type of ads they were doing. So I just went to the ad library, I started looking for other business owners, and I was just analyzing their Facebook ads. I was looking at what they were using, video, image, the ad copy. I clicked on the ads, I went to the landing page to see the structure, the copywriting that they have, if they were collecting emails or if they were sending directly to the call, scheduling the call to another page, basically to funnel hack all the sales process they have in place. In that way, it allowed me to learn and to see how I can structure my Facebook ad for this client. And this saves you a lot of time because Facebook is about testing, right? You have to test different images, videos, ad copy, the landing page to see if a good landing page is converting your prospects, all these different things that you need to have. It saves you time because you have an idea. Okay, I see this ad from this company, and you're gonna be able to see as well for how long this company has been running this ad. So if this company has been running this ad for, I don't know, 6 months, 3 months, or I have seen business owners that they have running ads for a year, it's because this ad is profitable, is bringing them results. So you can just reverse engineer, apply all what you're gonna learn and apply it into your business. You might get results, you might not, but this gives you a really good idea on what to do and how to implement everything. So yeah, the simple way right now you can spy on your competitors is using the page transparency, the ad library of Facebook. So go ahead, guys, I highly recommend you. It's gonna save you a lot of time, especially if you're not that creative on how to design your ads. This is gonna be really helpful for you. If you need more help, with this topic, feel free to go to jordanvelasquez.com/call. Let's get a call with my team and I. Let's see how we can help you out, and comment below if you have any question. I hope that you find this video valuable. See you in the next one.